បាទជំរាបសួរទាំងអស់គ្នាសុខសប្បាយបែកគ្នា2-3ថ្ងៃយ៉ាងម៉េចហើយជីវិត Okay, good morning. Welcome to my Slow Khmer podcast, everyone. I hope this short video is going to find you guys well. Okay, អញ្ចឹងថ្ងៃនេះយើងនឹងហាត់ស្ដាប់ភាសាខ្មែរតិចៗជាមួយខ្ញុំបាទឈ្មោះតារាបើសិនជាអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាឬក៏បងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាមានសំណួរទាក់ទងនឹងបញ្ហាភាសាខ្មែរការនិយាយការអានការសរសេរភាសាខ្មែរសូមមេត្តាជួយសរសេរជា comment below my YouTube channel អូខេអញ្ចឹងបើសិនជាមានសំណួរសួរមកថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំនៅប្រទេសកម្ពុជាហើយឥឡូវនេះម៉ោងប៉ុន្មានម៉ោង7:25នាទីខ្ញុំសង្ឃឹមថាវីដេអូនេះជួយបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាឲ្យហាត់និយាយភាសាខ្មែរបានល្អអូខេអ្នកដែលចាប់ផ្ដើមរៀនភាសាខ្មែរដំបូងខ្ញុំ recommend ឲ្យព្យាយាមអានឬក៏បញ្ចេញសំឡេងព្យញ្ជនៈនិងស្រៈភាសាខ្មែរ so I like to stress a little bit in this one in English so that everyone is clear. My best or in my experience, I would like to encourage everyone who would like to take my lessons. I would like you to practice the Khmer alphabets. So when you say the Khmer alphabet, it includes consonants and vowels. When you get familiar with the vowels and the consonants, pronunciation and sounds, this will help you a lot in speaking Khmer. As you know, I believe in every languages in the world. They are gonna be like formal and informal, but I would say that Khmer has a very variety of formal and informal ways of saying one word, but it have different ways to say it with the same meaning. Okay, so this is very hard for you guys to follow and to learn about the Khmer language. But as I mentioned, if you master the consonants and the vowels, I think it's going to be very easy for you to catch up, to follow, and to speak Khmer in the future. Okay, អរគុណច្រើនទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទអញ្ចឹងព្យញ្ជនៈ so consonant in Khmer we say ព្យញ្ជនៈ and vowels in Khmer we say ស្រៈ so ព្យញ្ជនៈនិងស្រៈអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំសូមឲ្យបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាឬក៏អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាព្យាយាមហាត់ស្ដាប់ស្រៈនិងព្យញ្ជនៈភាសាខ្មែរបើសិនជាអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាត្រូវការស្រៈនិងព្យញ្ជនៈភាសាខ្មែរសូមសរសេរជា comment ខាងក្រោមវីដេអូរបស់ខ្ញុំហើយដាក់ថាត្រូវការស្រៈនិងព្យញ្ជនៈហាត់ស្ដាប់ខ្ញុំនឹងផ្ញើ link វីដេអូឲ្យទាំងអស់គ្នាដើម្បីហាត់ស្ដាប់និងអានព្យញ្ជនៈនិងស្រៈនៅក្នុងភាសាខ្មែរអូខេ so if you like to practice the Khmer consonants and the vowels, please comment on under this video below that you need to practice the Khmer alphabet, consonant and vowel, so that I can send you the link to practice it. This is my experience. If you compare someone who do not have a good pronunciation or understanding of the consonant and vowels in Khmer compared to the one who study it to learn how to pronounce the consonant and vowels. When they learn Khmer, I would say the one who practice the consonant and vowels, they speak better Khmer and better pronunciation. Okay, so this is my experience. But again, there are tons of resources that you can find out online for practicing Khmer alphabet. case you don't know how to find it anyway in the internet, if you send this video, just comment below my video. I will send you the links to the Khmer alphabet so that you can practice by your own. And if you need Khmer lessons online, I'm happy to provide Khmer lesson online as well. Okay, so thank you very much. And if you have any questions relating to Khmer language and its culture, I'm happy to do that. Just for your information, um, I'm not only teaching Khmer language, but I also provide consultations to people who live in Cambodia about how to work effectively here in Cambodia. So if you need that um, advice, I'm happy to give this service to you guys, and especially if you tend to come and work in Cambodia, especially the volunteers like that, because my experience more than 15 years in giving cross-cultural training to people around the world to Cambodia to work and live in Cambodia. I've been to provide them this kind of services to them. So if you need that kind of service, please contact me. I'm happy to I can do online or um, whatever what we call it is in person if you are in the country, if you are in Cambodia. So guys, thank you so much for watching this short video. But this is a kind of video that encourage you how to learn how to speak better Khmer. So អរគុណច្រើនសូមជម្រាបលា